Here are all of the ways our YouTube channel earns us income. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so the ways that I'm going to be listing are how we make money from our YouTube channel. This is not all of the ways to make money from your YouTube channel. And stay tuned to the end because I'll be sharing our most lucrative way. Number one is Google ad revenue. So this is money that we earn from YouTube, Google, and it's from the advertisements. So it's from the ads that show up at the beginning of the videos, in the middle of the videos, at the end of the videos. There's sometimes ads down below or up at the top or in the search or on the sidebar. Basically any of the advertisements that you see on YouTube. If you watch a certain amount of time or if you accidentally click on an ad, we earn money from that. And this is both on the long form videos, which are like the regular YouTube videos, and the YouTube shorts, which are those vertical short form videos. Number two is super chats, super stickers, and super thanks. So super chats and super stickers are when you go live. When you do live streaming on YouTube, people have the ability to donate on your stream through either a chat or a sticker. And as you can see, we've gotten lots of super stickers and super chats while we are doing our live streams. Number three is YouTube channel memberships. When you get to a certain amount of subscribers on YouTube and you are monetized, you can create a channel membership. And it's just a fun way for people to support your channel. And the way memberships work is when people subscribe to be a channel member, they get billed every month for the amount that you set, and they get access to certain perks that you outline in your channel memberships. So this, I will say, is a small amount. We have chosen to focus on other things on our YouTube channel to earn us money, but I know that there are other channels out there who really put emphasis on YouTube channel memberships and they earn a lot per month. Number four way that we make money from our YouTube channel is affiliate marketing. Basically, when I do a YouTube video and I'm talking about a product or service, I will point down to the description below and there'll be an affiliate link. If you click on that link and you make a purchase on, let's say, I'm doing a video on a specific software or something, and if you click on that link and you get that software from watching my video and clicking the link, then I earn a commission because I recommended you to that product or service, and that company sees me as an affiliate and they are willing to give me an affiliate commission. So I really like this way of earning money through YouTube because you don't need to be monetized from the official YouTube partner program. Two, you don't actually have to have your own product or service because you are promoting other people's product or service. And three, the commissions are really nice sometimes. Sometimes, up to 50% or more, depending on what it is. So affiliate marketing on YouTube is one of my favorite ways to make money from your YouTube channel. Number five is sponsorships. So companies will actually pay you to be a sponsor on your video. We don't get a huge amount of these because we're very specific and very particular about who we work with on our channel. And if our videos get sponsored, we typically get between $500 to $1,500 per video. Number six is course sales. So we actually have our own online courses. Right now we have 3 main courses and we put these links in the description of our videos. So we create topics on videos that would go well with promoting the course. We give value in the video, and then at the end of the video, we mention that we do have a course and you can click the link down in the description. This is very similar to affiliate marketing, but instead of promoting someone else's product, we are promoting our own product, which in this case would be an online course. The benefit of this is that you obviously earn more because it's your own course. It's not a percentage thing. You get most of it when you make the sale. The downside of this is that you do need to create your own course, and that obviously takes time and effort and energy, and it takes way longer than doing affiliate marketing. But it can be more lucrative. Number 7 is services. And this by far is the most lucrative way that we make money from our YouTube channel. Right now, as I'm filming this in the 2024 time era, services are huge. People want to pay for done-for-you services. It's funny because it's actually easier to sell a $5,000, $10,000 done-for-you service than it is to sell an online course of ours for $200. And you might be wondering, what are the services that we sell from our YouTube channel? We sell YouTube channel management, where we actually have a handful of clients where we manage their YouTube channels. YouTube one-on-one coaching, where people pay us to give them one-on-one coaching on how to have a successful YouTube channel that makes sales and gets clients to their business. Website design and PDF design. So there you have it. Those are all the ways that our YouTube channel generates income for us. Again, it's not all the ways. These are just our ways. How many of those are you doing for your YouTube channel? Put it in the comments section below. And if you are interested on our blueprint on how we've done our YouTube channel, you guys can head down to the description below, as we have our course called The Profitable Channel. It basically outlines how we run our YouTube channel, how we get clients, how we make course sales, how we make affiliate sales, how we make Google ad revenue. All the ways I just listed is in the course. If you are interested in that, the link for that will be down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.